This is Farmer Kathy out at the Thomasson family farm. The sun is just starting to go down and it's early September. Out here checking out the corn maze. Like to keep our rows clean and make sure they're all ready to go. The corn is just starting to tassel and it's about 7 foot tall. Here's our first of some tassels up there. From where I'm standing, it's well over my head. We are just finishing up. I got a few sprinklers out there with all the heat going on today. Keeping it cool, keeping it growing. Looking forward to seeing you out here. Thomasson Family Farm.